Have you ever seen a thumbnail and thought, damn, that's the one I need? Well, now you can steal that thumbnail's exact style legally in less than 10 seconds. No Photoshop, no design skills, just this one tool. Let me show you how my AI thumbnail recreate feature works. Step 1. Copy the link of any YouTube video whose thumbnail you love. Step 2. Paste it into myaithumbnail.com right here. In seconds, my AI thumbnail analyzes the thumbnail's layout, style, fonts, and colors and generates a similar one for your video. Now, here's the cool part. You can swap in your face, change the text, adjust colors, whatever you want. You are not copying, you are recreating a proven design in your style. Most YouTubers spend hours in Photoshop trying to reverse engineer a thumbnail. With this, it's done in under 10 seconds. You don't need to be a designer. You just need to know what works, and now you can replicate it fast. So if you're serious about thumbnails that actually get clicks without wasting time, go try the recreate thumbnail feature right now. It's free to test, takes seconds to use, and your click through rate will thank you.